Hey everybody, good night. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. If you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I discovered this little indie brand and I just wanted to share it with you. I thought it was so cute. If you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So I stumbled upon this brand from some of my friends that I have on Instagram. Her name is Jess. She's a really sweet girl. And I think my other friend Tabitha, she also, I'm pretty sure she has this brand too. I think everybody has this brand except for me. This is the Moira brand, and they've been on TikTok and Instagram and whatever else. This little brand caught my eye because of these blushes. These blushes are so pretty. I'm just gonna come on here and show them to you really quickly. This is not gonna be a long video at all, just a little haul video. Look at these ombre blushes. These blushes are freaking gorgeous. And like the packaging on it is insane. I just want you to see the detail in the flowers. And this freaking blush again. Look how freaking pretty. Look how beautiful. This is in the color Soft Berry. I already have some blush on, but let's see. Oh wow. Okay. Wow, that is so freaking pretty. I only put a little bit of it on too. Holy shit, this is really nice. Oh my god. For an indie brand, this is beautiful. It was only $9 too. This is definitely worth the money. Oh, I wish these little brands were a little bit bigger. No, stay indie. I take that back. I feel like the indie brands take care of some of their customers more than the bigger brands. Hate to say that, but it's the truth. It's only because some bigger brands are on a huge level, so they don't, I don't know. Well, the other one I got was another ombre blush, and this is in the color Bella Pink. And a couple of these went viral on TikTok. I don't know which ones, so don't ask me. I don't know. I just saw the ones I liked and I thought they were so pretty. So I will be doing photos with these and putting them on my Instagram too. Look how pretty this is. Oh my god, it's so freaking beautiful. And I love the design with the roses and the butterflies on it. So freaking pretty. I love anything with like flowery butterfly kind of things. So pretty. And again, these were $9, so yeah, definitely go check out Moira's Cosmetics. I will link them below. I got two other items from their website. I got this chick mode, and everything from their website was not expensive either. Like I know everyone indie brand trying to make their coin, which is, you know, all more power to you, but I feel like don't make it so high where it's just a little bit impossible for buyers, but with people will always be buying makeup. Anyways, I'm rambling again. This is this face palette I bought. I love the colors in here. I think they're gonna go beautiful with my skin tone, and this would be good for travel because then you get your blush, you get two highlighters with it, and then like this is all you need when you have to travel. And this is a good size too, and if you need to, you can also probably use them as eyeshadows as well. And this again is in chick mode. I love this. And I'm saving the best for last. Actually, all these items are good, so there's no best or not best or whatever. I got this palette. The packaging on this is freaking adorable. It's called I'm Falling For You, and we're gonna open it together. So it opens like this. Look. And then they give you a card. Oh, they gave me a discount card too for the next time. They put a card in here. It's just so sweet, and I thought it was super nice. You know, I'm falling for you. You can give it to somebody. You can keep it. Oh wait, oh, that's right. They put a seal sticker too. If you want to seal it, you can write to someone and seal it with a little cute little sticker. So cute. And it says Mariah on it with a little bird. I thought that was a really sweet touch. Okay, so here's the palette here. It reminds me of a Too Faced palette, I'm not gonna lie. But that's okay. So you open it like this. And then here is what the palette looks like inside. And on the little card it has a little saying, "Every day I get lost in that special kind of love with you," from Moira. Here is this beautiful palette. I love the colors in it. I love the purples, of course. The purples are my favorite. I think it's a beautiful palette. You can create probably really beautiful looks with it. I'm sure I have palettes like this. I haven't purchased a palette in a while, so that's why I was like, you know what, I did want to buy it, because I haven't been buying palettes, and I'm not really going to be buying palettes that much anymore unless something really speaks out to me. Then yeah, I'm not going to be wasting my money on buying palettes just to buy them and have them sit there, because I have so many friggin' palettes that are just sitting here. I have to declutter this room, but I'm not going to do that yet until some of the work in our house is done. Then I can have room to take it all out, declutter what I need to, get rid of what I need to, and send everything else to Project Beauty. Is it Project Beauty, or I'll give it to Casa, this other organization in downtown St. Pete. But anyways, so I just wanted to swatch this purple right here. I'll put it down here. That's pretty. It's kind of like a duochrome, a little bit of a duochrome. Swatch that one, and we'll swatch Soulmates, is this one in the corner. Very pretty. And this palette, again, it was not expensive. I think it was like 20 bucks or maybe $24. I will list their website below so you guys can go check them out. I don't have any referral codes or discount codes or anything. That's okay. I think their prices are pretty well in a reasonable range for consumers, especially like me, who's not buying palettes that much anymore unless I ask for them for Christmas or if they're gifted to me like in BoxyCharm. I'm very thankful for everything that I have and everything that I'm doing. I just want to keep on reviewing, you know, some makeup for you guys and doing looks and things when I can. I want to incorporate more of my beauty business and my esthetician business with you guys. I want to do a series like other people, many people on YouTube have done. It's just time is my enemy sometimes. But I just wanted to show you guys this little tiny haul of this indie brand. Go support your indie brand. Sometimes indie brands can be just as good or even better than the bigger brands. Like, look at this blush. This blush is freaking beautiful. And I didn't even use a whole lot of it. Oh, it's just gorgeous. And this is how I like to wear my blush. I like to wear a lot of blush. And I also like to make the highlighter just really pop. It looks really pretty. Anyways, before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. Follow me on all my socials at Nerissa and on TikTok and Instagram, and I will see all you birdies later. Good night, everybody. Bye.